I'm Case Wegner with Crone Roofing, and we are out here with Eagleview today doing a demo of the Assess drone program and software. We've been using it for several months now, and it's been an absolute game changer. We really see it as the future of roofing. It allows us to do 5 to 10 inspections a day and put a 300 to 400 point inspection together for the homeowners and property owners. This was totally unplanned today, and we got notifications from Hail Trace that 1 3/4 inch hail had just hit right here at this little neighborhood, and we pulled up, and there's shredded leaves all over the place, and the hail seems to have hit exactly right here. So saw this as a perfect opportunity, come offer this service to the homeowners and get it rolling in action. We're out here just cold prospecting and offering the Assess program to homeowners. Gives them a lot of peace of mind. It piques their interest and allows us to really identify if their roof was totaled out. And it puts a report together for us that allows us to go to the insurance companies and really make our case for them. We've actually had a few opportunities where the claim was filed, we sent the report in and gotten it purchased immediately without them even sending the adjuster out. It's not humanly possible for a roofer to do as comprehensive of an inspection in the amount of time it takes for the drone to fly the property. It usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes to do the full inspection, depending on the size of the roof. But in 30 or 45 minutes, there's no way I could do what the drone does and capture all of the damages and put them in one report. So a lot of roofers will go and file unnecessary claims. They'll make the homeowners believe they've got a lot of damage that might not necessarily be there. And in Texas, we've got a lot of heat, and the roofs endure a lot of blisterings and granule loss, and a lot of roofers will try to pass that off as hail. But these reports come together, and I go in and actually approve each photo of the damage that the drone identified, and I can differentiate actual damage from wear and tear. And insurance companies really appreciate that, but the homeowners do as well. There's no sense in making them think that they've got damage when they don't. I tell the homeowners right when I go to the door, or whether it's over the phone when they call in, that we don't even get on the roof unless we see that there's significant damage or need for an immediate repair. A lot of roofers will get up there and do things to the roof and cause damage to the roof just to get it bought or get the homeowner intimidated into filing a claim. So we try to eliminate that and tell the homeowners immediately that this report will do everything that it needs to determine if a claim is viable. And we don't have to get up there unless there's a immediate need or a leak or something like that. And sometimes I have to kind of explain, us as roofing companies and contractors, we know exactly what Eagleview is. But I do explain to the homeowners it's the exact same software and service that the insurance companies use to measure their roof and make sure that they're properly paying the claim out and sizing the materials properly. So when I explain that to them, a lot of their guards go down, and it gives us kind of a leg up against 99% of the roofing companies that aren't offering this service.